A 1948 Ford Deluxe convertible was the base car that was transformed into Grease Lightning in the movie Grease. 4. Better source needed. In the 1984 film The Karate Kid, Mr. Miyagi gives Daniel LaRusso a cream-colored 1947 Ford Super Deluxe convertible 5 as a birthday gift. The car was actually a gift to Ralph Macchio from the film's producer. To this day, Mr. Macchio still owns the car. The car reappears in the Cobra Kai spin-off TV show several times where Daniel is seen to still own it. In the third season, Daniel states that getting his first car from Mr. Miyagi inspired him to go into the car business. In the 1985 film Back to the Future and its sequel Back to the Future Part 2, the car which Biff Tannen owns in 1955 was a black 1946 Ford Super Deluxe convertible. The 1946 car is now in a private collection.